Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the SanDisk Dual Drive Lux, and this is in the golden variant guys. Comes with a read speed of 400 Mbps. I'm really excited for this particular pen drive because I've been using this kind of pen drive for the past more than 3 years, and now we have the Dual Drive Lux in gold. And if you want to buy this particular pen drive guys, please check out the link in the description to get from Amazon for a discounted rate. For now this pen drive cost about around 1250 something, and you can just get it for a discounted price guys right now. And I would say this is one of the best looking pen drives even compared to the previous Dual Drive Lux in silver, because the gold really stands out, and I haven't seen a pen drive which matches uh, the finesse of this particular pen drive. And as you can see over here, it is having a type C connector, with the help of which you can connect your MacBook, iPhones, the latest 15 series, and also all the Android phones and any device which have the type C connector. As you can see guys, this is one of the best looking, again hands down, what SanDisk have done. Now most of the people will be asking me from where did I get it, and I got it from Amazon. And also the make of this particular pen drive is, it is made in Taiwan, and I feel the pen drive which come from Taiwan are one of the best performing pen drive. So I'm pretty excited for the speed test of this particular pen drive, and I'll be also telling you how durable this is guys. As you can see, let me just press the tip of the pen drive, and it is very durable, and this is going to last for a very long time guys. So because I've been using my previous pen drive for more than 3 years, and it have lasted me till date. It has not gone slow down or something, and this pen drive just got better with this particular gold color. I think this is the most favorite pen drive which I ever had in my life. So let's go ahead and do some speed test. So I'm using the Crystal Diskmark for running the benchmark of this pen drive, and what I've done is I've speeded up 2 times the speed of this, so that it does not consume a lot of your time while watching this particular video. And previously, if you see guys, the SanDisk Dual Drive Lux, the silver variant of this particular pen drive, had been performing very good. I'm pretty satisfied with the pen drive from the day of its launch, and it has been the star performer. And I don't think so any pen drive which comes close to the Dual Drive Lux in terms of functionality, looks, or otherwise. And especially SanDisk provides a great support and after sales also. And I never had any issues with this Dual Drive Lux guys. Most of your people have complained regarding hinge and all, and let me tell you, my pen drive which I purchased in 2020, you can just browse through all my YouTube video and check, and you'll be able to find out that I'd been using somewhere from something like June, July of the 2020, almost 3.5 years back, and that pen drive is still working flawlessly. And if you see, for this pen drive guys, they have just gone one notch ahead, because previously pen drives were having 130 read speed. Now this is around 357 read speeds guys. And if you like this kind of videos guys, I would suggest to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and also press that bell notification icon, so that you don't miss out any of our updates in the future when we do any future comparison of this particular pen drive with some other pen drive. Again, on that note, let me know in the comment below which other pen drives you want us to test, because 357 as the read speed, this comes in the SSD territory. Most of the SSD like the ones with the green and the blues, you know what I'm talking about, those SSDs, they perform in this particular space, that is around 300 to 400 Mbps. And pen drive giving this much speed, I'm 100% satisfied guys. I know SanDisk is claiming around 400 Mbps on their packaging and all, and I'm quite fine with it. It might not be exactly 400, but again, SanDisk is not paying me to say all these things, so I purchased this particular pen drive with my own money guys. So this is not a paid promotion or anything. So I hope you all enjoy this kind of videos, and you all can also follow us on other social media like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Now it is X, @CreativeSoft, and which would help my channel a lot. So again, if you want to buy this particular pen drive, I would suggest you to check out the link in the description and get the pen drive from Amazon, because on Amazon you get one of the best prices. So this comes just below 1300, and right now this is the right time to buy this particular pen drive, right? And by the way, this pen drive in the entire test did not get hit, and even if you see the write speed, it is 79.24, which is around 80 mbps. And also I'm so much excited of doing speed test comparison between this pen drive and my original dual drive Lux and the silver variant. I had two of those, two or three of those. So basically one is the latest one which I got was from China, one is from 2020, and one was 512 GB, and maybe another one. I'm quite not sure how many pen drives I own, especially this dual drive Lux. And yes, you can connect this with the TV also and your car. And as you can see guys, this is one of the fabulous looking pen drive, and it is very stylish. The gold color is awesome. So if you own a MacBook or an iPhone or any Android devices and you want to connect it, please go for this particular color guys. There is nothing better than this. And as you can see, this is the best looking pen drive and it is very fast. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and also do check out all these other videos, and let me know in the comments below what you think about this particular pen drive. And again guys, thanks a lot for watching this video, and see you in my next video.